You're welcome. My name is Sebuyungo Weoba Chivekayunga. This course unit is called Curriculum Studies, and at Masters and Postgraduate, it is called Curriculum Development. So we are concentrating on Curriculum Studies, and in this course unit, we expect that the student who is studying it will end up being a curriculum developer or a contributor of ideas and thoughts that are relevant and very central in improving a curriculum or innovating a new curriculum. The knowledge and skills that you also get from this course unit will enable you to develop content that you use in teaching and learning, and also improve on the existing content as a curriculum person, as a curriculum expert. So we expect that you even be able to guide the National Curriculum Development Center or even the curriculum development institutions around the world in improvement of curriculum and also improvement of content that is used in curriculum and improvement of methods of delivering the curriculum to make sure that the curriculum is relevant and very central in the development of the country and the communities. In this course unit, you're also going to interface with aspects such as the genesis of curriculum, where we shall explain to you the beginning of curriculum and the definitions of curriculum that are very concrete and core in the developments of curriculum, and everyone who needs to develop a curriculum will, based on such definitions, to be able to develop a curriculum. You'll also, in this course unit, be able to see the philosophical schools of thought about curriculum, schools of philosophy that underlie curriculum, and that when we learn from these schools, we can get a perspective, a philosophical perspective and a theoretical perspective that will enable you to develop a meaningful curriculum, a curriculum that is both practical and it is also good at setting principles in the lives of learners. You'll also see dimensions of curriculum, and those 3 dimensions of curriculum will be explained to you, where you see that a curriculum has got to have 3 dimensions, and just like you see a box which has length, width and height, so even curriculum has got to have the 3 dimensions, the formal, the non-formal and the informal dimension, which you're going to also interface in this curriculum studies as your course unit. You also see, as you study, you'll see the natural branches of curriculum, and these natural branches are also 3. You'll interface with a branch called the content, because content is very central in curriculum. Anything you would like to pass on, the subject matter we are calling content has got to be very streamlined and very specific, addressing a certain problem and creating a solution that the world needs. And also life experiences and learning experiences, you interface with these 3: content, life experiences and the learning experiences as natural branches of curriculum. You later on see the detail of how to prepare content and the processes of preparing content, and also look at how the types of content in terms of arrangement of content. You'll also look at those elements of how you can arrange content to suit the needs of the learners, or at kindergarten, at the primary, at secondary, at higher institutions such as universities, colleges and the institutes. You'll also see those developments in this course unit. But the models of curriculum, Wheeler's model, you see Taylor's model. You also look at other models that we focus on while developing curriculum. We also look at what you'll find scholars referring to as the wholesome curriculum. The wholesome curriculum will have four life aspects that are expected of a learner. And the first one, the learner is to grow intellectually, what we call the cognitive development or cognitive growth. You also see the other aspect of a wholesome curriculum, which we call the social growth, so that the learner is helped to be socially sound and able to interact with others, communicate with others, and serving one another. You also see the other aspect of the spiritual growth of the learner, which other people refer to as the affective development of the learner. So you see the learner should be growing in values, and that will help the learner to be able to relate with God and relate with others so well. And then also you see the physical growth as an aspect in the wholesome growth and development of the learner, so that the learner grows physically in their body. The body should be healthy, the body should be strong, and also the body should also be productive. So those aspects, the four life aspects, you also interact with them in this